This massage Qigong movements can help you to improve your health. For those of you who have a problem with your legs and you cannot stand too long on the ground, to do some exercise that's steady and moving. So this massage movements with 10 fingers can help you to improve your health. Today I'm going to share with you the 10 movements of massage Qigong with the 10 fingers. It's very easy. This massage Qigong movements can help you to improve your health, strengthen your internal organs, and prevent a lot of illness. For those of you who have a problem with your legs and you cannot stand too long on the ground to do some exercise that's steady and moving. So this massage movements with 10 fingers can help you to practice very easy. You just find the place, get the cushion or pillow to sit to just practice and massage your hands, okay? You just sit very relaxed. The first movement is you make the fist with 2 hands, right? And touch together with your hands in front of your chest. Yeah, there are the points right here, the connection, intersection between your thumb and your index finger. Okay, the first finger right here. There is the point right here, and you 2 hands will touch, will massage and clap on that. So you just clap on this, and this can help you to relax your face and nourish your face and make your face more healthy. Okay, so you just clap like this for 60 times and more, or go up to 100 times. You can count. Okay, when you massage this, you also enjoy your breathing. You can follow your in-breath and out-breath through your nose and relax your arms, your hands. The second movement, you can hold in your hands like the flowers, level in front of your chest. Yeah. Get in touch 2 hands by the wrist. By your wrist right here, okay? And you clap and you massage on it, okay? So look like a flower in front of your face, in front of your chest. So you clap in that for also 60 times and more, and 200 times, so that this point right here will warm up, will be very warm. And this movement helps you to strengthen your heart, heal your heart. You breathe and you relax your hands. Aware about your arms, your wrist, and you count until 60 times and 100 times, okay? Relax your body. You feel your breathing. So the third massage movement is you face your arms up, right? Face your arm up, and you can touch and massage by beside of your little fingers, 2 little fingers, yeah, right here. And with the area of down here, it's beside of your palms, right here, from here until your little fingers. Okay, you can get in touch with that. And you massage, clap on it 60 times and more until 100 times. And also again, you put your palms face up and level like your chest level. You breathe in and out through your nose, and you relax your body, relax your arms, your hands, your chest. Just observe your breathing and count from 1 until 60 times or even 100 times. These movements help you to heal your headache, when you have a headache, and this can reduce the headache. Okay, yeah, very good. You can relax and you feel okay. So let us relax your fingers and shake your fingers, shake your arms and your elbows and your hands. Okay, next is the force movements. Okay, the force movements also the same, help you to reduce the headache, but also make you to sometimes you have a toothache or headache. The same time you can massage this. You can reduce that. So your thumb and your index fingers open like this, yeah, and you cross two of them together. Okay, you cross two of them together, and you can clap and massage it 60 times and until 100 times. Breathe in and out, relax the body. Offer a gentle smile. So when you massage this, you can make your the pawn also here between your index finger and then your thumb right here. That's the acupressure point that help you to reduce your headache and toothache. Yeah. Instead of you press on it, you just massage it and clap on it together. Okay, so the next is the fifth movement, number 5. So you can cross all fingers together. Yeah. Also, you put your hand in front of your chest, and you can clap on it, massage it together. And this movement help you to acupressure point between fingers, between at the root of the finger right here, the point between the fingers. When you feel exhausted, you feel tired. Okay, so this movement help you to restore energy from tiring, from feeling exhausting. So you massage for 60 times and 200 times. Relax your body and your shoulders. Feel your fingers be warm. Enjoy your breathing. Okay, next movement 6 is you make the right hand like a fist, and then you open your palms, left palms, and you use the right fist will punch and massage your left palm. So inside your palm, on the face of your palm, right, there are a lot of acupressure points that when you massage it, you can make your internal organs stronger. Okay, so this movement help you to strengthen your immune system, strengthen your internal organs. Okay, your liver, your lungs, your heart, your stomach, your spleen, even your kidneys. So you just two hands clap together and punch like that. You just breathe. You do like this for 60 times and until 100 times, and later on you feel warm with your palms. You feel your palms get red. So relax your elbows, relax your shoulders, enjoy your breathing. This is movement 6, and the next is movement 7. It's the same, but we just do opposite. We use the left fist. We punch the right palm, right? So this is a movement 7, okay? And you can do the same like that. Also help you to strengthen your internal organs. Enjoy your breathing, relax whole body. You feel your in-breath and out-breath go through to your nose. And then you count from 1 until 60 times until 100 times. Okay, that's wonderful. So shake your hands, relax your hands. So we are doing the movement 6 and 7. So let us come back to our body. Inhale, exhale. Bring our mind back to the body.